Question 9, paper 1, period 1, November 2010. Solve the inequality 18 minus 3x less than x. So it is 18 minus 3x less than x. In the solution of inequality, we take all the variable at one side. Actually, more than it is usually a one variable, and it is x here. So we take at one side from right to left side. So we move this variable from right to left side. So it become minus 3x and the plus x become minus x. Sign of inequalities remain same and 18 move from left to right as size change from plus 18 to minus 18. Now minus 3x and the minus x, when we add them, it become minus 4x. Sign of inequalities remain same and it is minus 18. Now we cannot cancel the minus sign across the sign of inequality, the both minus sign. We have to multiply both by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 both sides of inequality. So when we multiply minus or divide by minus, the sign of inequality changes just like this. It becomes 4x and it become greater than. Here it is less than, not become greater than because we have multiplied by minus 1 and it become 18. So both signs changes, it become plus and it become plus, and the sign of inequality is also same when you multiply by minus, and it is multiplied by minus 1 both sides. Now we have to find the value of x. So x is remain here and it is 18 and 4 is multiplying with that x. When it goes across the sign of inequality, it goes to the denominator. We can divide both terms by 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 9s are 18. So x can be written as 9 over 2 or 2 4s are 8 and 1 4 whole 1 upon 2, or half of 9 is 4.5. So the answer is 4.5. Now move to part B. Given that n is an integer, integer means whole number, it can be either in minus or the plus, but not in fraction or the decimal. Where minus 10 less than equal to 3 and less than minus 3. Now first we rewrite the whole equation, and it is minus 10 less than equal to 3 and less than minus 3. Now we have to find the value of n. So 3 is multiplying with n, so we have to divide 3 with the whole equation so that these 3 can be cancelled out, and here we want to remain n, so it will become minus 10 upon 3 and less than minus, it can also be cancelled, so it is minus 1. Now we solve minus 3 by 10, so it can be written as 3 and the 3 3s are 9, 1.0, so 3 3s are 9, here it is. So it is 3.3. So minus 3.3 greater than equal to n is greater than equal to minus 3.3 or less than minus 1. So when we draw a number line here, and it is 0, it is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, and it is minus 4. So suppose minus 3.3 is lying somewhere here. So we have to mark a dot here because minus 3.3 is also included here, and it is 3.3, and it is less than minus 1. So minus 1 is not included here. The value greater than less than minus 1 is included or greater than minus 3.3. So when you move from minus 3.3 towards minus 1, we found the integer as 3 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 1 is not included because there is no sign of inequality here. So minus 1 is not in the range of n. So the two numbers are there, and they are integers, and they are minus 3 and minus 2. Still you are facing any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.